The Philippines, renowned for its stunning tropical beaches and vibrant culture, has become a hotspot for surf enthusiasts from around the world. Among the various surfing destinations in the archipelago, Siargao and Baler Aurora stand out as two of the most popular and sought-after spots. Both offer unique experiences and breathtaking waves, making the decision of which one is the ultimate surfing paradise a tough call. In this video, we'll delve into the characteristics of each destination to help you decide which is the best surfing spot for your tastes and preferences. Recently, the town of Baler in Aurora province was declared the birthplace of surfing in the Philippines. Historical accounts showed that in 1972, a surfer named Steve Scott, who stayed at the Subic Naval Base, was the first to discover the waves of the town of Baler.
In the Philippines that we visited, they had never seen surfing, and they used to tap on the surfboard because they would see a fin, they would call it bating. You know?
Bating, yeah.
Bating, or Stephen Scott, a surfer who used to surf in the Philippines back in the 70s, 80s, and 90s. I lived there continuously from 1972 to 1974. That's when I did most of my exploring around.
On the other hand, Siargao was first discovered in 1980 by two young surfers named Steve Jones and Tony Aruza, who were on the hunt for the perfect wave. Siargao, the enchanting jewel of the Pacific. Siargao, often referred to as the surfing capital of the Philippines, has gained international recognition for its stunning beauty and world-class waves. Located in the province of Siargao del Norte, Siargao boasts the famous Cloud 9 break, a powerful right-hand reef break that consistently produces barrels and draws surfers seeking adrenaline-pumping rides. Pros of Siargao: world-class waves. Cloud 9 offers some of the most challenging and rewarding waves in the country, making it a haven for experienced surfers. Vibrant surf culture. Siargao's surf culture is thriving, with numerous surf camps, competitions, and events that create an engaging and lively atmosphere. Natural beauty. Beyond the waves, Siargao is renowned for its crystal-clear waters, palm-fringed beaches, and serene lagoons like Sugba Lagoon and Magpipunko Rock Pools. Variety. While Cloud 9 is the star attraction, Siargao also offers spots suitable for beginners, such as Quicksilver and Pacifico Beach. Cons of Siargao: crowds. The fame of Cloud 9 can lead to crowded lineups during peak surfing seasons, potentially impacting the quality of the surfing experience. Cost. Accommodation and services can be relatively expensive, especially in comparison to other surfing destinations in the Philippines. Baler Aurora, the hidden gem. Baler Aurora, located on the east coast of Luzon, is a more laid-back surfing destination that has been gaining traction among both beginners and experienced surfers. Known for its consistent waves and relaxed atmosphere, Baler offers a different kind of surfing experience compared to Siargao. Pros of Baler Aurora: accessible. Baler is relatively easy to reach from Manila, making it a convenient choice for a weekend getaway for those based in the capital. Diverse waves. Baler provides a variety of waves suitable for all skill levels, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced surfers. Affordability. Accommodation and services in Baler are generally more budget-friendly than in Siargao, making it a more economical option. Local experience. Baler's surf scene is more relaxed, offering a chance to immerse yourself in local culture and explore nearby attractions like the historic Baler Church and Detention Falls. Cons of Baler Aurora: Less intense waves. While Baler's waves are consistent and suitable for learners, experienced surfers seeking more challenging waves might find them less thrilling. Underdeveloped infrastructure. While Baler is growing in popularity, it still lacks some of the amenities and infrastructure found in more established surf destinations like Siargao. Conclusion. In the Battle of Siargao versus Baler Aurora, the title of the best surfing spot in the Philippines ultimately comes down to personal preference and what you seek in a surfing experience. Siargao offers unparalleled world-class waves, vibrant surf culture, and breathtaking beauty, but can get crowded and be more costly. On the other hand, Baler Aurora provides accessible and diverse waves, a more laid-back atmosphere, and an affordable experience, though it may lack the intense challenges that advanced surfers desire. Ultimately, whether you're chasing the thrill of legendary barrels or seeking a more relaxed surf trip with a local touch, both Siargao and Baler Aurora have something unique to offer in the Philippines' rich tapestry of surfing destinations. The choice lies in what resonates most with your surfing style and preferences.